Week 7, Fashion Marketing and Branding. Introduction to Fashion Marketing Strategies and Techniques. Building a personal brand as a fashion designer. Creating a marketing plan for your fashion collection. Week 8, Portfolio Development. Organizing and presenting your fashion design work in a professional portfolio. Highlighting your skills, creativity, and unique design aesthetic. Incorporating digital media and online platforms for portfolio showcase. Week 9, Guest Lectures and Industry Insights. Inviting industry professionals, fashion designers, and experts for guest lectures. Learning from their experiences and gaining insights into the fashion industry. Networking opportunities and Q&A sessions. Week 10 to 12, Final Fashion Design Collection. Applying the knowledge and skills gained throughout the course to create a final fashion collection. Developing a collection concept, sketches, and patterns. Constructing and presenting your final garments in a showcase event or portfolio presentation. Please note that the course outline can be adapted to include specific topics or techniques based on the participants' interests and the latest trends in the fashion industry. The emphasis will be on practical application, creativity, and encouraging individual style while keeping in mind the importance of sustainability and ethical practices.